have you been?
I went, did some off-roading.
You've been in Dubai or something and then...
I wish.
What? This is mad. How are you guys?
I'm so good.
Nice
How are
to see you. What's up,
Welcome
guys?
back.
It's Supercar Blondie, and we have something crazy in store for you. Parker from Vehicle Virgins has just pulled up, and we're gonna unveil the craziest car ever. You know, if you come with a super dirty car, that's what you're gonna get, all right?
That's why I brought it.
Supercar Blondie. There you go. Boom. It's on there forever. Sorry, mate. That's how it works. It's been a while.
It has been a while.
How are you, man?
I'm doing well.
Now we've got 2 cars under wraps.
I'm leaning towards this one.
I was about to say, this the guy whoever owns the Fiat's like, hey, if I put a cover on my car, maybe we'll get it in Supercar on this
That's
video.
so funny.
I suppose the best way to do it is just get straight to it, right?
Yeah.
Should we just
Let's just pull it off.
pull it off and reveal it?
I still have no clue what this is.
No, you haven't seen it. I've only just seen it now.
Backwards?
We'll go back. Yeah. Okay, ready?
Oh my god. Oh.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that mad? Look
See,
at this. Look at what we're seeing. Just for a moment. Look at that. Isn't that just like some kind of spaceship stuff?
I knew when you said that it was going to be a crazy car, you of anyone on the internet would show up with the craziest car,
Right,
and
right.
I can't even tell you what this is.
Is that why you came covered in?
Well, that's why I came with the second craziest car.
You did surprise me. I have to give it to you. So, this is the FF01. So I thought I'd just talk to you about what I know about it.
Is it an all-electric race car? Is that
You got
am I
it.
on the right track?
You got it. So this is like the vision of the race car of the future. So single seater, as you can see.
Wow.
Oh, the coolest thing. Wait, I totally forgot. Hang on 2 seconds.
This is unbelievable.
It gets way cooler.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. Okay, this is the helmet you would wear. Now I'm gonna put this on quickly so you can see.
We should take this to Area
Glasses.
51.
Yes! Yes, this is totally
It's
the
like
car.
an alien car.
This is the car. All right. If you were ever going to raid Area 51, which is always in my comments on YouTube, this is what you do it in. So you can communicate with the aliens, obviously.
Oh my gosh.
Now, this bit here is oxygen and water.
Wow.
Oh, look. Okay, just open from there and that. Yep, exactly. Just open that up like that.
Wow.
And then, look at what happens with the helmet. Come here, guys. So when you've got this on, this connects into here, you see? So that the
Wow.
oxygen and the water is fed to you as you're racing.
And then do you have a push to drink button
Yeah,
somewhere?
over here. This one's for drinking. That one over there. And obviously the oxygen, like, you have to keep that going the whole time. You can't just, like, there's not a button to turn it off. Right?
It just shuts off and you can't breathe.
Because it's a full canopy. When you've got the canopy down, you've
Yeah.
obviously got to breathe somehow, right? So they thought, well, why not feed the oxygen in through the helmet?
That's pretty
and
cool.
then you've got the tank here. You see here just behind
Yeah.
that's the tank. Here's the deal, you guys. It is a concept, right? This is the first car that Faraday Future made. This is like their vision. This is, when you look at this car, all of like little gadgets, the knickknacks that it has in it, that's actually going to feed down into their production cars. And they've actually got a couple of those cars in that building right next to us that I'm going to show you, because when they were like, hey, we've got, you know, we can show you this awesome like 01, and then we've got like this production car and we'd love to show you that. And I was like, the reason why I love concept cars is because I love to see where companies are going in future, what kind of gadgets and like cool knickknacks and technologies and designs we're going to see.
He took the phone out of the car. Trick.
Park, are you breaking stuff?
Yeah, I've unfortunately broken it. But
Right,
this
that'd be right.
is
That
so
you have bloody broken it.
this
Yeah,
is
that'd
so
be right.
timely though.
Why did I invite you? Seriously. Did that.
So
Right.
I just was talking to a friend
Yeah.
about the fact that everyone does use their phones
Yeah.
in the car, whether
Yeah,
it's
they
for
do.
maps or they're gonna look at it.
Yeah.
But no car has a good phone holder. It's
Yeah, no,
random
they
cup
don't.
holders or places you can't see.
It's so annoying.
Look at
isn't
this.
it?
This is a slot for your iPhone that then goes
In the center of the wheel.
in the center of the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
That's
is how
wild.
it should be. This is how it should be, right?
That way you can watch Supercar Blondie videos while you're driving.
Of course.
Or Parker on Netflix, fastest car.
Exactly.
Yeah, not as good as Supercar Blondie videos, but second best.
I'll take it.
I just wanted to show you the front because this is quite cool. Look how it opens up on both sides here of the cabin. So this goes all the way down to the back there, and on this side the same thing. The batteries on this car are just here in this center cabin all the way down. And these kind of air tunnels on the side, they're there for aerodynamics, but also to cool the batteries. This tail fin here will light up. This is going to be a display so that you can put your name, your team's name on it. You can put your fastest lap time on the back, whatever you want really. What they wanted to make sure of is you could take this exact platform, the way that the batteries lie on this platform, the technology, everything about it, and transfer it into multiple vehicles. You can have something that looks this crazy on this platform, or you can have the exact same technology and transfer that into a vehicle that looks completely different. So that's what they wanted to make sure that they had in Faraday Future going forward. This is quite cool here. You see how the pedals are separated from the brake and the accelerator? Because they were thinking, you know, at high speeds when you're on the track, you don't really want to get those pedals messed up. So they've got this like kind of perspex separator in the middle so that you don't suddenly accidentally step on the accelerator when you're meant to be stepping on the brake. Wow, it's like you're lying flat in this car. That was cool. It's like a massive sunroof.
I'm jealous.
I took my shoes off and they're like a kilometre up there. Who's gonna go get my shoes? Thank you, thank you. Okay. It's not the easiest. So they're saying this is probably the strongest part of the car right here. So if you pop your butt cheeks on that and then kind of swivel over.
Parkour.
Hey, that's pretty elegant.
Not bad.
Oh, sorry, forgot to warn you about that. Sorry.
That was painful.
Now, I'm going to show you guys the production car. Parker, you ready for this? Production car coming out next year. This is what they're hoping anyway, 2020. It's just around that corner. It's going to pull up. This is super quick. 0 to 100, 2.48 seconds. Here it is, here it is.